Hey Glamazons, it's me, and this is just a quick video of some projects I've been working on. So I've installed bookshelves. Pretty cool. I've been super busy. Check it out. Bookshelf. Then I also installed this hanging thing here in my bedroom, and I put some Chanel nail polish in it. I just thought you guys would like to see this stuff. This is just a quickie video. Very cool. Don't know what else I'm going to put in there. My nail polish rack is complete. She is magnificent. Now you guys know I have a lot of nail polish, so I just think I'm going to switch out some of the pretty ones. You know, kind of use it more as decoration or seasonal, or put some favorites out there. Right now, any of the ones that were pretty are the ones I. So I'll let you guys get a good look at that, but that's the rack. Here's a close-up again of some of the polishes. Yeah, I just put some of my favorite ones out there, and I'll switch it up. I have a ton of polish. And again, you guys saw the Chanel ones on the other rack. So yeah, I've been very busy still unpacking, cleaning, decorating. All of these had ashes on them and I had to clean them. But anyway, coming up, I went on a shopping spree on AliExpress just to try it out, and this is what's coming up. I will save my thoughts later. And guess what? Guess what this is, guys? You put photos in the front, which I haven't done yet, but this is a jewelry armoire, which I purchased with my own money. I got it off of eBay. This is it, completely empty. Haven't put anything in there yet, but I will probably put some costume jewelry in there. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. This is just a quick teaser video. I will do more in-depth videos later. Stay tuned, Glamazons. Bye.